Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on languages and input, and here enter the languages. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose, and changing the language itself is very easy. All you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick the Turkish one. Let's tap on it and tap on OK. And as you can see, from this moment, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show you how to do it again, because I'm not really good at Turkish. So let me find English, tap on it, and confirm. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.